Hello everybody out there. So in this session we're going to learn about multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of fractions. Now what do you mean by multiplicative inverse, or in other words, why do we need to learn this at all? Well, we need to know multiplicative inverse to understand division of fractions. So what is reciprocal or what is multiplicative inverse? Let me give you an example. For example, if I have 3 by 4. 3 is the numerator, of course, and 4 is the denominator. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4? It is 4 by 3. How about 8 by 12? And the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 12 is 12 by 8. So what I did was, the 12, which is the denominator, becomes the numerator, and 8, which is the numerator, turns out to be the denominator in its multiplicative inverse. Another example, it is 6 by 7. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 6 by 7? Did you say it is 7 by 6? Well, you're absolutely right. It is 7 by 6. Now let's try to do with the help of a mixed fraction, like for example 2 1 by 2. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 2 1 by 2? In this case, you should change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. That is, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 added to 1 is 5, 5 and the denominator 5 by 2. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 2? It is 2 by 5. Let me give you another example to understand better. If it is 3 2 by 4, this is a mixed fraction, and I want the multiplicative inverse of 3 2 by 4. I need to express this in improper fraction. That is, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 by 4, that's the denominator. And what is the reciprocal of 14 by 4? It is 4 by 14. You're right. So now you should also understand that two numbers are the multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. What did I just say? For example, if I have the number 3 by 4, and if I multiply 3 by 4 with its multiplicative inverse, that is 4 by 3, I get the product 1. How is that? Watch out. 4 times 1 is 4, 3 times 1 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1. So that leads us to understand that two numbers are the multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. So I hope you understood what is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal, and now we are ready to learn the division of fractions. Thank you, kids. Bye-bye. Well, I'm sure you enjoyed and understood this session. To learn the next concept, click on the video here. You can also subscribe to my channel here and continue to enjoy learning more and more concepts.